Hey guys, I wanted to make a quick demonstration / instructional video for this program I've been working on. It's called Spyro Code Utility, and essentially what it does is it allows you to automatically create a Gameshark style code, which works with a couple different PS1 cheat devices, and that code allows you to automatically load Spyro's position, angle, and camera, so essentially his state, with a button combination that you choose in the program. And the way you choose the position you want to load is you use the BizHawk Emulator, you go to the position in-game you want to save, and then you save a dump. And I'll show you how to do that. So you do need to have BizHawk to use this program. So alongside of being able to teleport instantly, you can also kill Spyro and respawn him at that position instantly for tricks you want to practice that may need entities to respawn. So I'll download this and show you how to use it real quick. So this may pop up because it's a fairly new program, but you just click this drop down and click keep. And then I'll open up the zip and drag it to my desktop here. And now when you open it up, you're going to want to open the Spyro Code Utility exe. And you're going to have 4 different games to choose from. Now I'm sure as a lot of you are aware, Spyro 3 has 2 different versions. The Collector's Edition and Greatest Hits version is 1.1. And that's going to be the version I'm going to be demonstrating to you guys here. And this does work with all 3 Spyro games, if I didn't mention that earlier. So first I have to create a dump so we can open it. So I'll show you how to do that. I have BizHawk open here, and I'm going to go ahead and open up my ISO. And then I'm going to load the state in which I want to save. Now you're just going to probably want to navigate to where you want to save, but I already have a state. And once I'm here, you're going to want to go to Tools, and you're going to want to go to Hex Editor. And once you're in Hex Editor, you're going to click File, and you're going to click Save as Text. Now you can name this and save this wherever you want, but I'm just going to leave it as the default and on my desktop. And then once it's done, we can close out of BizHawk. And we're going to go ahead and open up that test file here in my program. And then once you load that text file, you'll be prompted to choose which button combination you want to load the state with. Now I'll go ahead and choose L2, R2, and circle. And I'll generate the code to teleport Spyro first. It may take a second to generate, and it may even say that it's not responding like it is now, but it is generating the code. Just give it a moment, and then it'll do it. And as you can see here, it generates your code, and you can, of course, copy it to your clipboard, as you see here. And then you can, of course, reset to do another one. Now, to demonstrate how this code works, I'll show you quickly on an emulator. Now, like I said, this can work on console, and that's primarily what it's designed for. But I'll quickly add this cheat to my emulator to show you how it works. And then I will enable the cheat. And as you can see, I'm at the beginning of Spyro 3. And I will input the button combination I chose, which was L2, R2, and circle. And as you can see, I instantly got teleported to where I was in that other emulator. And so, like I said, you can choose whatever position in whichever Spyro game you want, and this should work. Now I'll also show you quickly, using the same dump file, what the respawn code looks like. I'll go ahead and generate that, and I will, in my emulator, reload that state I was in before. And then I will input this code. As you can see, I'll copy it to my clipboard. I'll paste it in here. There it is. And then I'll add that cheat to where my old one used to be. I'll remove that one. And now when I input that same button combination, you can see instead of teleporting instantly, I die and then respawn at that position. Now you may see that it didn't copy the camera and angle over correctly. I am still trying to actively fix that, but as of right now, when you do use the respawn code, it seems to only copy his position. But I do think that that is still fairly useful. So that is pretty much how Spyro Code Utility works, and I'm still trying to work out a couple of bugs like this one here. And yeah, if this is useful to you guys, let me know, and yeah.